Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a phone, this Honor 770. This phone, you can see the display broken. So someone sent me this phone to replace the display, and I buy the display from AliExpress. And here is my display. So now I will open the display and check. So here is some tools for open this phone. Okay, and now I will unboxing this display. I got some tools here for the opening tools, and here is the display. So guys, here is the display. It's the good quality, I hope. And this display with frame. See guys. So now I will open the body and I will fitting here. So I hope this is the same model. So let's open the display and check. So first I have to reconnect the charger. I will heat up back side and then I will open the cover. So for this I need a hot air. So I will heat up with hot air. So here is my hot air, and I heat up the back cover as well to remove the back cover. Okay guys, now I will open this. I have to heat up back side. So maybe I can use this one. Here is the tools for open the display, so I can use this. Slowly I have to open this. Okay. I have to again heat up this side, because you have to open it slowly. Don't do very fast. Okay guys, almost done to open. So very heavy to remove this, and now I will remove the screw all. So I need a star screwdriver. I have to remove all this. Okay guys, almost done to remove all this screw. So now I will open this part. So all is done, and just I remove the battery connection first, and then I have to remove this part. Okay, and now I have to remove the antenna connection. Remove this connection. Here is the fingerprint. So now I will remove this charging socket. First I have to remove the SIM tray. And then I remove the charging socket, and here is the fingerprint. Is the finger sensor, and here is the vibration. Carefully have to remove. So here is almost done, and now I have to remove the battery. Okay, it's double battery connection. See, that's why. Now open the battery. Okay, here is the battery. And now I have to remove this rub-on connection. This is the display connection, and remove the antenna. Remove here the camera connection, and first I have to remove the body. Here have the small screw. Check carefully how many screw we have here. 1, 2, 2 screw I get. Okay, almost remove the main board, and now I will get this speaker connection, and here is check how many connection I have to remove. This one or this one I have to remove. So first I have to remove this. Be carefully. Here is the sensor. And now I will remove the speaker connection. Okay, almost everything I have to remove. So now I will return back this to this new display port, and here is the connection for battery. I have to remove all this option, and one by one I return back. First I return back the vibration connection. Okay, now I will return back the finger connection. Here is the finger connection. Here is the finger connection, and now I will return back this SIM tray and charging socket. And return back this SIM tray here. Okay, and now I return back the speaker connection. Clean first, very good, clean. And now I return back. Here is the sensor. Okay, and here is the, I think almost the important device I have to connect it. And now I return back the main board. Okay, and here is the 2 screw. Both of screw I have to connect. One is here, one is another side. Oh, I have one. Here is the camera connection, have to clean also. Okay, so now I connect the display connection. Here is the display connection. Okay, and here is the ribbon connection. First I have to connection both of side. Okay, now good. Now I return back all the antenna connection. Now I return back this antenna connection. Okay guys, I return back the antenna connection. So now I return back the battery connection. So I return back battery connection. So I now power on and check. I return back the all screw and all the parts and check. Now I return back this part. This part have to return back like this. Okay guys, almost done everything. Before I close, now I will put the charge and check it's working or not working. So guys, here is our phone is working perfectly. So this phone, I don't know the password, so is everything working good. Now I will return back this back part, and I have to connect some glue. I will apply some glue here and I return back. So for this I need a glue pack. Now I return back the cover, everything done. So almost everything is done, guys. Now just I put some sticker. Okay, so guys, here you can see this is the old display and this is the new display. It was the broken. This Honor 70, I have to buy this display from online AliExpress. So if you don't find in that near your shop, you can find it in the AliExpress. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon